Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills ha ka khat santrik ya yong kila Ialam ya u Kennedy Kong sit sharanja bat nongra ban pha pen I kumno u pyniap bat let beret ya kamet jong ko Kong Eilang Phawa live kandais namrta hadin ba ula pyniap ya ka ki pulit kila pengat artli ki kendon kam pyniap beriu persya ya u Kennedy hadin ba ula phla halur ka jingdon kti ha ka ba pyniap ya u hebred kershan bor khar mudai bat ya ka Kong Eilang Phawa Superintendent of Police ka district uba Vivek im upentip haneka singi balang baya u Kennedy ubala syak kemno dangshan namar ka jingdon kti ha ka ba penyap ya utei u hebred ubadang news namrta ontok kit na kabenta prasngi halor ka jingdon kti ha ka ba penyap ya ka Kong Eilang Phawa Ngilayu jingbet ban set prasngi ya u Kennedy na kabenta ban penlong syuk ya ka jingtok kit halor ni ka jingja kam penyap Ngiladap ban penlong ya kajing tokit benya ban menta kasngi Ialam ban pha pen I ya karukam penyam hadin ba uladap kubur ya kajing don kti ha kan ka kampin trim ong uba Vivek Haba batai halor kan ka jingnat pen I ya karukam penyam USP ula ong baya u Kennedy Ialam da ka kinhun ki pulit syaka jaka balajia ha ka jingadon lang ki sakhi lai luit Ialam ya uda ka kinhun ki pulit ban pha pen I kumno ulale ya kan ka kam beman hadin ba Ialam ya ki na lendet ying syaka pan khana pat ba bat ula tangon ya ka ha ka kinro bat thap ya ka met rong ka hapo ka berni kani ka dei ka ba u Kennedy ula batai ong USP uba Vivek ula ong ba ka kinhun special investigation team SIT kelaya syakmat ban pendap no shen ya ka charge sheet Kajing temu kalong bawat la ulayalong parlok bat ka Kong Eilang. Henry kat kum kajing tokit la ong ba u Kennedy ula ki bitar le se namar kala kren ya kanu ka ba sngotenan bat ha kajing bitar ula le ya kan ka kampenyam benrap USP.
Well, we got 8 days custody for Kennedy Kongsit, and in this 8 days we have done substantial amount of interrogation, and today we have done the reconstruction on his admission to the crime. He has led the police team in the presence of independent witnesses of how he had committed the crime, where he had taken her behind the house to a public toilet and slammed her against one concrete structure and then disposed her body in a sack. So that is the gist of the reconstruction, and the special investigation team will be endeavoring to charge sheet the case as early as possible. The motive is though he had befriended her, but he got, as per his initial interrogation, statement, he said that he got irritated, and in a reaction to the irritation from caused by her, he had actually slapped her. So she was, it seems, teasing him, saying something which he didn't like. Rage, yes, rage is the reason. His psychological assessment has been done, and he's found to be mentally stable.
So what is the background? Is he affected by any?
We have to regarding his background, what happened in his childhood, that is yet to be seen.
Boleh.